everyone, it's Erin from Florida Drone Supply, and today we are going over what it means to be Blue UAS compliant, as well as share some of the options in the market that are listed under Blue UAS. We already covered what it means to be NDAA compliant, but let's go over what it means. The National Defense Authorization Act, or NDAA, is a key component that shapes the landscape of drone usage in the United States, specifically in relation to security concerns and national defense. While both NDAA and Blue UAS are related, they serve different roles and functions within the regulatory environment. Section 848 of the NDAA specifically prohibits the use of drones or any related components made by companies that are considered a national security threat. This restriction applies to government entities, contractors, and any organizations working on behalf of the federal government. The Blue UAS program is a certification program specifically designed to address the NDAA's concerns. It aims to provide certified domestic drones that meet the necessary national security requirements, ensuring they can be used by federal agencies and contractors without violating the NDAA. Drones that are Blue UAS certified are domestic drones that have been vetted through a rigorous process to ensure that they are compliant with the NDAA and do not pose any security risks. This program ensures that the drones meet security protocols such as data encryption and secure communications to guarantee that sensitive information is protected. With that being said, let's go over what your options are if you are looking for a Blue UAS listed drone. One option is Parrot and Afai USA. While Parrot is a French company, the Afai USA is manufactured in the US, ensuring compliance with domestic production standards. This is important for agencies and organizations that require the drones to meet the criteria of the Blue UAS program. Parrot offers the Parrot and Afai USA Gov Edition, specifically tailored to those working for the government and utilizing drone technology. With its 4K HDR camera, 32x zoom, thermal imaging, and AI-powered features, it is an excellent tool for a wide range of applications, such as inspections, surveillance, search and rescue, and more. The drone's NDAA compliance, long flight time, and user-friendly interface make it an ideal choice for professional-grade aerial operations. Other Blue UAS options come from Inspired Flight. Inspired Flight delivers cutting-edge industrial-grade drones designed for the most demanding commercial, industrial, and governmental applications. Their flagship models, such as the IF-800 and IF-1200, are engineered with advanced sensor technology and offer exceptional flight endurance, making them well-suited for a wide range of critical tasks, including surveying, inspections, and high-precision aerial mapping. With a strong commitment to data security, operational reliability, and autonomous flight capabilities, Inspired Flight drones are trusted by professionals in industries such as energy, construction, agriculture, and public safety. Whether it's monitoring infrastructure, conducting environmental assessments, or performing search and rescue operations, Inspired Flight provides the tools necessary for accurate, efficient, and safe operations. Whether you're operating in high-security environments or executing mission-critical tasks, opting for a Blue UAS-approved drone ensures that you meet the most rigorous standards for security, data integrity, and regulatory compliance. The selection available at Florida Drone Supply allows you to carry out your operations with confidence, knowing that your equipment is not only top of the line, but also fully compliant with current and evolving US regulations. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and enjoy your flight.